Hello friends, today we are going to see direct online starter control drawing. How to draw a direct online starter with on-off trip. This video contains list of required components, component detail and its explanation. Explanation of a step-by-step drawing procedure. Drawing with terminal numbering. Let's start. First we are going to see list of components. This picture showing list of components required: contactor, overload relay, on-off push buttons, indication lamps and MCB for power isolation. First we are going to look about contactor. This picture was showing contactor, coil terminal, power terminal and auxiliary contact block. That auxiliary contact block has 4 auxiliary contacts, 2 NO and 2 NC. Here I given the terminal numbering details: 13 and 14 NO, 21 22 NC, 31 32 AdSense, 43 and 44 NO. Next we are going to look about overload relay. Overload relay. This relay is used for overload protection. If the motor will overload, this relay going to trip. Then protect the motor. It has 2 auxiliary contacts, one NC, one NO, 95 96 NC and 97 98 NO. Next we are going to look about push buttons. One on push button, one off push button. See, the off push buttons always using NC contact, the on push button always using NO contact. Let's start the diagram. First we are going to draw a source line, that means power line, and phase neutral I taken here, and this phase neutral is coming from control MCB, so I didn't mention here, you just may assume that. Next we are going to draw the overload relays NC contact. Means if the motor will taking overload current, the relay going to trip. So the 95 96 NC it will come to NO. Auxiliary contact operate automatically. Then we are going to draw off push button. See, I draw an off push button in series with that overload relay auxiliary contact. Then I am going to draw on push button. I drawn here on push button. The terminal number 3 4 I mentioned here. Next I going to draw Q20 motor conductor. Motor conductor terminal number is A1 A2 I mentioned here. I give here the picture also for you. Please look at the picture. Now listen carefully. The phase supply is series with K80 95 96. Then off push button 1 and 2 both are NC. So the supply is come to on push button number 3. After that it will comes to if we press the push button it will comes to 4. So the motor conductor will got supply, but what is the matter, if you release the push button it will goes to normal on its position. For avoiding this we need to connect one hold on contact and parallel with on push button. I taken here the hold on contact is auxiliary contact of that Q20 conductor. Auxiliary contact terminal number is 1314. It is NO. That mentioned clearly. I picture also mentioned clearly. Next we are going to draw indication lamps. First I draw here off indication lamp. Off indication I taken here Q20 auxiliary contact NC. Then I connect on off indication lamp. This is green color I mentioned here. Next we are going to draw on indication lamp. On indication I taken the Q20, the power contacts auxiliary contact 43 44 mentioned here. That picture also I round it and show to you. The auxiliary contact 43 terminal number 43 44 I connect on indication lamp with red color. Then we are going to draw trip indication. If motor going to trip, we need to know about that motor condition. It is connected to overload relay auxiliary contact 98 97 and 98. It is NO. If motor trip, the relay going to trip, that there no contact, it comes to NC, then the indication lamp will glows. It announces the tripping. So friends, this video comes to end. If you really like this video is very useful to you, please share this to your friends. Thanks for watching friends. Thanks.